Ischia, the Italian island of Ischia has several not-to-be-missed sights, including the medieval Aragonese Castle. Beach life. This volcanic island, which sits in the Gulf of Naples, has long been popular with Italian beach lovers. The Giardino Eden Beach Club is a tranquil oasis. Forio. The town of Forio has a picturesque old quarter and is one of the island's most charming spots. Colorful streets. The island features in Elena Ferrante's best-selling book series known as the Neapolitan novels. San Montano Hotel and Spa, overlooking the sea in the Bay of San Montano, this hotel has a spectacular infinity pool. Lacco Ameno. The town of Lacco Ameno is on the island's northwest corner and has a pretty marina. Thermal spas. Thermal Park Aphrodite-Apollon has 8 thermal pools set at different temperatures. Relax and repair. For multiple pools, spa treatments and dining options, spend the day at either Negombo or Poseidon Gardens. Sunset views. The Church of the Madonna del Soccorso in Forio commands incredible views. Casamicciola Terme. The Piazza Marina in Casamicciola Terme, on the northern part of the island. Botania Relais and Spa. The recently refurbished Botania Relais and Spa is an adults-only hideaway with whitewashed villa-style suites and rooms. La Mortella, a tropical greenhouse at La Mortella Gardens, which were created by Susanna Walton, wife of English composer William Walton. Ischia Ponte. Ischia Ponte is a former fishing village and one of the most historic spots on the island. Mezzator Hotel and Spa. The Mezzator Hotel and Thermal Spa oozes Italian beach sophistication. Casamicciola. You're never far from a great beach on Ischia.